Are you struggling to choose your lower secondary subject? Need a blueprint? Well, you clicked on the right video. Hello everyone, my name is Cuomba. I'm from Mali, but I live in the UAE, and I'm an elite tennis player studying at Wolsey Halls for the past 3 years. And today I'll be making your lives a little bit easier by guiding you into choosing your lower secondary subjects. First, let's see what Wolsey Halls has to offer. English as a second language, French, geography, German, history, math, science, skills for life, Spanish, arts and design, and computing. I take English, French, Spanish, history, math, science, geography. 7 subjects in total. I know that's a handful, but I have grown to custom juggling school, my tennis life, and social life. I feel like English, math and science are the most important to take because they're going to help me structure my future. And also I feel like you cannot get the most out of other subjects if you're not taking those 3 subjects. After your secondary school, you might go to college to study in a higher level or a higher national diploma. And for many of these courses, you need a certain number of IGCSEs and GCSEs subjects. And some even specify that you need English, math and science to attend. So it's always better to stay in the safe side. I chose French and Spanish for my language, history and geography for my extra subjects. I know it's a handful, but each of these subjects help me currently and will help me in the future. My parents also let me choose my extra subjects. This made me feel more in control of my schooling. They always support and work with me. The best part about Wolsey Hall is you can pick a subject each year, and the transition from year to year is very smooth. And bonus, you can go at your own pace. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. I hope I made picking your lower secondary subjects a little bit easier. Have a wonderful day. Bye!